Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly unreal, the 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome, a machine that blends supercar attitude with fortress-level luxury. From the outside, this beast looks aggressive and futuristic, with sharp Lamborghini-inspired lines, armored body panels, reinforced glass, massive wheels, and LED lighting that makes it look like a rolling supercar bunker. The paint finish, wide stance, and bold front fascia give it an unstoppable road presence. Step inside and the story changes to pure luxury: premium leather seats, carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, a high-tech cockpit, large digital displays, a luxury bedroom, modern kitchen, and a high-end bathroom, all protected by advanced security systems. Performance is just as insane, powered by a heavy-duty turbo engine with all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and advanced braking to handle the extra armor weight smoothly. On the road it feels powerful, stable, and surprisingly refined. Overall, the 2026 Lamborghini Armored Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, safety, and extreme luxury on wheels, made for those who want everything, everywhere.